Is it the right time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Tesla, providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis, ensuring you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 3, 2024, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate with a score of -2.71. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock has witnessed a decline of -20.86%. This translates to an average daily loss of -0.70% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a broad downward trend, indicating the potential for further decline in the short term. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -22.73% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -28.98% and -7.65%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 14.99% change over the next year, with a potential return between 11.03% and 93.46%. This suggests a price range of $209.52 to $365.08 after 12 months. Our latest update on Tesla reveals that the stock price ended at $188.71 on Wednesday, with a gain of 2.55%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the Tesla stock price increased from $184.02 to $188.71, marking a 2.55% rise. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $183.35 and a high of $188.89, showing a 3.02% range. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has experienced a 0.76% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume of traded shares decreased by 7 million, with a total of 79 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $14.93 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $299.29, while the lowest price was $152.37. Currently, the price is 36.95%, equivalent to $110.58, below the 52-week high and 79.04%, equivalent to $711.69, below the all-time high reached on January 25, 2021, when the price peaked at $900.40. Analyst ratings. In the world of finance, analyst ratings play a crucial role in guiding investors' decisions. Today, we will take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Tesla, symbolized as Tesla. On Monday, February 5, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Tesla an overweight grade with a hold action. This indicates that they have a positive outlook on the stock's performance but recommend holding on to current positions. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, RBC Capital gave Tesla a negative grade with an initialize action. This rating suggests a pessimistic view and the initiation of coverage on the stock. On the same day, January 25, 2024, KGI Securities gave Tesla a neutral grade with a downgrade action. This implies a balanced perspective and a decrease in their previous rating. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. This indicates a positive outlook on the stock's performance while suggesting caution in holding the current positions. Lastly, on Sunday, December 17, 2023, Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. This reaffirms their positive stance on the stock's performance and suggests retaining current holdings. Analysts have given Tesla stock a general rating of buy. They consider the P/E ratio to be a strong indicator to buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also seen as a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts are highly optimistic, giving the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Tesla stock. Let's dive right in. First, we have a buy signal that was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 5, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen 4.23%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite the stock gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. We should keep a close eye on the stock. Moving on to the negative signals, they may have some influence on the near short-term development of the stock. While the Tesla stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. This means that, overall, the forecast for the stock is more negative. In terms of resistance and support levels, the stock will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $212.37 on further gains. On the other hand, it will find support from the short-term average at $188.10 in case of a fall. If the stock manages to break through the long-term average, it will give another buy signal. Conversely, if it falls below the short-term average, it will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The Bollinger signal also showed a buy signal 21 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 31 days ago. When we look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 31 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 31 days ago. And the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla has found support from accumulated volume at $185.10. This is an important level to watch as it could present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Tesla has average daily movements and good trading volume, which indicates a medium level of risk. Yesterday, the stock moved $5.54 between its high and low, representing a 3.02% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.1%. Before we start discussing potential trading levels for Tesla, let's begin by covering some important fundamental data. The first factor we need to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are expecting significant growth in the future. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is scheduled for April 17, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.690. It's essential to keep a close watch on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Tesla. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $190.93. It's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you don't already own any shares. For those who are already holding the stock, this level could be an option for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $185.10. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Tesla is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 31, 2024, Andrew D. Baglino, an insider, sold a total of 38,160 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Vaibhav Taneja, another insider, sold 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Additionally, on the same date, Vaibhav Taneja bought 4,000 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on December 14, 2023, Vaibhav Taneja sold an additional 4,000 shares of common stock. And finally, on December 5, 2023, Xiaotong Zhu, an insider, purchased 2,633 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 67.952. Overall, insiders have bought a total of 2,431,732 shares and sold 344,110 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, our evaluation for this stock is negative and we haven't set a stop loss. Is Tesla stock a good buy? When it comes to Tesla, we have some concerns. Our analysis suggests that the stock may perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks, indicating a negative outlook. After examining the volatility and recent movements, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate Tesla's opening price to decrease by $1.73, starting at $186.98. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What do you think the target for this stock should be? And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.